Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to activate two Telegram accounts in one Android phone. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. And first open up your settings and there tap on search icon and in search bar type in Dual to find Dual Messenger. If you can't find Dual Messenger, you can type their clone or something like that, because the name of this feature can be different depending on your device. On Samsung it calls Dual Messenger. I select that and now tap on Dual Messenger to get on that option, and there I can see messengers that already has turned on dual function, and I can do that with Telegram now. To enable dual messenger function, just toggle on that option and confirm installing a second copy of Telegram by pressing on install button, and now second copy of Telegram was successfully installed. I can go to my app library and here I got the second copy with that orange icon, and if I scroll for a little, here I see the first copy of Telegram, so now I can open the second one and get in another account there. Make sure you like this video if it was helpful for you, and see you next time.